Hello there. If you are looking forward to starting your YouTube channel or grow your YouTube channel or make money from your YouTube channel, this is the video for you. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start your YouTube channel, how to grow your YouTube channel, and how to make money from your YouTube channel. And to be honest with you, you don't even need to have thousands of subscribers before you can start making money from your YouTube channel. But towards the end of this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. All right, but before we get started, let me know, what stage are you? Do you want to start a YouTube channel? Maybe you have not even started at all. Do you want to start your YouTube channel, or do you want to grow your YouTube channel, or do you want to start making money from your YouTube channel? Which of the stages are you right now? Please drop it in the comment section, as I would love to hear from you. So let's get started. The first step to starting a YouTube channel, before you even start a YouTube channel, is for you to understand what is it that you want to start talking about, right? So that means you should choose your niche. That is, what topic exactly are you going to be covering? For instance, my YouTube channel is about helping people gain digital skills and also teach people how to make money online. So basically everything is still making money online, right? So, and you have to look at, okay, what is it that I can do, that I can talk about for a very long time and I won't get exhausted, right? So you have to pick your niche. For some people it could be just storytelling, or somebody it could be like sharing tips about relationship, right? And there are also people who talk about housing, who talk about study abroad, and so much and so forth. So brainstorm, know what exactly you want to talk about before you even start your YouTube channel. Then when you know what you want to talk about, think of a name, right? For example, I am using my name, Sola Mathew, but for some other people it could be maybe relationship tips with Sola Mathew, for instance, if I'm to be talking about relationship, or maybe immigration tips with Sola Mathew. You don't necessarily have to use your name. There are people who post things about maybe affiliate marketing business, or who post about online biz YouTube channel or something like that. Just think about a name. One of the tools that you can use to generate a name for your YouTube channel is to search for name generator, right? Search for name generator. It could even be business name generator. Yes, yeah, business name generator. So when you go to business name generator, you are going to see tools that you can. For example, you just go to business name generator. Okay, so when you go to business name generator, you see a lot of them. For example, we have one by running ad here. So I prefer to just go to this businessnamegenerator.com, right? So when you go to businessnamegenerator.com, so let's say that your YouTube channel is about what is it called now? Let's say your YouTube channel is about travels, right? So you can just type travels here and then you type get started. So this business name generator is going to generate different name ideas for you. For example, here you see we have fixed travels. So your name, your YouTube channel could be fixed travels. This one we have remote travels, hybrid travels, so on, or something like that. Dive travels, so I love this. Celestia travels. If you want to travel to the Celestia territory, you can probably choose that. Travels fluent, right? So we have a lot of names like that you can use here. So that is the first thing. So if your YouTube channel, let's say, is about business, maybe you want to be talking about business in general, you could just type business here and then you type generate, right? So let me just cancel this. So just type generate. All right, so when you type generate, it's gonna bring you, look, this one for example is business motivate, business cop, business no, business lead, business flow, business indicator, business safeguard, business enhance. Where I love this one. So you could click here to save, for instance, and you can even go and use that to buy your domain name from website like Namecheap or Google, depending on where you want to buy your domain name from. I'm going to put a link in the description for the places where you can buy domain names that I recommend. All right, so that is the second step. So the first step is for you to know what you want to talk about, and the second step is to get a name for your YouTube channel. You can use your name, or you can use come here and search for names that you want to use. So the third thing is now to create your YouTube channel. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube channel. But from today's video, what exactly did you learn? Can you drop it in the comment section? I'll be in the comment section to be reading all of your comments. And if you have any question, please drop your questions in the comment section as well. And remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when I post the next video and any video like this, you will get to be notified. See you in the next video.